Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I have a laundry motivating video for you guys this week. If you guys like cleaning, decorating, organizing, decluttering, cooking, and so much more, consider subscribing. I mostly do cooking and cleaning, and I decorate for all the holidays. But here pretty soon I am going to be painting a couple of bathrooms, and I'm also going to be doing my son's bedroom. So if that's the kind of content you guys like, please subscribe. And when you hit the bell notification button, it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. And my Easter Decorate With Me will be going up next Tuesday. And right here I am just going through and sorting the clothes, getting them all separated, and I'm just trying to get all of my husband's hunting stuff pulled off to the side so I can wash those separately with an unscented laundry soap, because back when it snowed about a week or so ago here, he wore all of his hunting stuff because it was just warm. So just got to get all that washed up. So right here I am using Snuggle fabric softener and some Lysol, laundry Lysol, and some Persil. And if you have seen any of my other videos, I do switch up my laundry soap because I do coupon, and I haven't couponed in over a year because of the whole pandemic and everything. So we have like solely survived off of my stockpile, which is dwindling down, and I am about to start couponing again. So if you guys are interested in a couponing video, just let me know in the comments below, and I will be so thrilled to help you guys save money. So right here I am just switching out the clothes, getting ready to start my next load. And I struggle reaching in the bottom of this washer. Sometimes I end up having to stick my foot up on the dryer just to get everything out of the bottom of the washer. So right here I am just getting my next load of clothes to get ready to pop in the washer. And that is my daughter Stormy, glued to her cell phone. Right now I am just going to start hanging up all of my clothes, and I just started playing One Tree Hill, and I will watch that while I fold clothes. normally while I am folding clothes, I will stand in the kitchen and just fold the clothes right there at my kitchen table. But on this day, I have plantar fasciitis in my right foot so bad. It was just killing me. So it just made it hard to stand up for long periods of time. So it was just easier for me to sit on the couch and just fold things and get them hung up so I can go put them away. And right here, I organize my clothes as I am like pulling them off the couch. I will put my leggings with the leggings and long sleeves with long sleeves and my jeans with the jeans before I even make it to the bedroom to put this stuff away. It just makes it easier for me. I can just grab that section and just put it up in my closet. I do my husband's the same way. So right here, I'm just going to put everything away, and I tried to get a good view in the closet, putting stuff away, but our closet is so small and our bedroom is like super small as well, so it's really hard for me to get good angles of the closet putting clothes away. So I just got done taking the clothes from the washer, putting them in the dryer, so I'm just going to get a load of towels started. And I do hang up all of my bras to dry. I do not put them in the dryer because the dryer messes them up. And if you just hang them up to dry, you will save the life of your bras a lot longer. Especially ladies, if you guys buy Victoria's Secret bras like I do, hang them up because it will save your bras a long time. They will last you a lot longer than what they would normally if you just pop them in the dryer, because those things are $65, so they're very expensive. So just hang them up and let them dry. This actually took me 2 days to do. It was late when I started filming this, and so the very next day I will get it all finished up. So this is the very next day, and I will finish it all up on this day. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And when you hit the bell notification button, it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. And make sure when you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit the bell notification button, because if you don't hit that button, YouTube is not going to notify you when my video goes up, so y'all might miss my videos. So make sure you hit that notify button, the bell button, so you'll be notified when I upload. So I got my visitor, George. He is going to sit here and watch me fold all of the towels. I'm just going to pull them out of the dryer and get them folded. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys tons of laundry motivation to tackle your laundry and get ready for your week ahead. And I will talk to you guys Tuesday, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week.